All these are the factors, main effects that are occurring in our natural ecosystem. So for example, in order to counterpart like heat waves, for example, I'm just taking the heat waves. Suppose we are using every day like our.
Before conclusion, I just want to share a few lines regarding this program. Then I'll wind up by giving a word of thanks. So briefly, I just want to share about today's program. Today, as we know, 5th June 2026, it is a very important day. So we all know that every year on 5th June, we celebrate World Environment Day to raise awareness on environmental protection and to raise awareness about environmental protection and sustainable living, which was led by the United Nations Environmental Program, it is UNEP. So on this day, it is remarkable every year because it is mostly it is giving importance, especially as a education leading procedure towards school, colleges, universities, and some communities level, and even in some government levels. The main theme or the focus is to give forest prevention, and number two, forest deforestation, and number three is to give a life sustainable as we all live on this earth. And as students, we can show our interest in respect of like, for example, like in essay competition, like in poster making and some activities competition, and we can also involve in tree plantation drive and eco-friendly relationship. So these are some of the things which we can possess as, or we can do it as a student's duty. So these are some of the important things which I want to share on this very important day. So now I'd like to thank all the teachers and all the students who have come to attend this program. So I hope at least one thing or the other you have gained some knowledge through the valuable speech given by our respected principal and some of our staff. So I think that message will help you in your future. So it is not only we should keep in our mind just for a day. We should keep it for our eternal life. As long as we are on this earth, we should keep the importance of this message which was given by our valuable persons. Now, I'd like to thank all the teachers, all the students who have come to this program. So it is your presence, or it is the presence of your all everybody performance which make the program valuable. So your presence was very much precious, and your presence made this program very much fruitful. So I'd like to thank all of you. And before that, I'd like to say that no one should go home. So there is some refreshment arrangement, some food is arranged. So I request all the teachers, students, so